Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Twoguysfinance online banking. Alright, it's going to be a really quick video. We're not going to waste any time at all. Let's just jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Twoguysfinance online banking platform. Now once you're there, you're going to manage your business finance. You can do things like reviewing your account balance as well as your transaction history. You can also review and update your account information whenever you need to do that. You can also track your business finance progress through the online banking platform. You can also review and update your settings regularly as much as you need to do that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Twoguysfinance's business online banking. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next